I debated on whether or not to tell you guys. So I was chopping wood over here with my little Fisker's hatchet, and it flung out of my hand, and it hit my shin. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with Spackman. I'm Spackman. I think that's Billy right there. No, there's Jay. Yeah, so that's definitely Billy. Just got to camp. We got some beers. Step 2.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Happy New Year. It's New Year's. Today is New Year's. First camping trip of 2021. Cheers to many more. It's cold. Oh, good stuff. And guess what, guys? It's snowing. Winter warning advisory in effect for tonight. So we're camping. Thanks for joining us in this adventure. We'll see you in a little bit. Got my glove. You got your jacket on? Just put your hood up. Here's the tent, another Ozark Trail special. This is a huge cabin style instant tent though. We have the Mr. Buddy heater and a propane tank here. Mr. Buddy heater is around here somewhere. It's in the tent already. All right, got the lights on in the tent. Remy's in there laying down. Got the Mr. Buddy heater hooked up. Every one of the windows going around it, the top of them right here, they're all open. They don't close up top, so there's lots of airflow. This side over here is vented out, and the whole roof is vented, but we covered it with tarps. But it is snowing good now. See if I can show you. There it is. I walked away for a minute. My chair is covered. It's going to be a fun night. It's already been a fun night. It's just about 1 o'clock in the morning. I think it's 12:54. We're heading to bed. We got the little buddy heater down there. And my little buddy right here. Jay's over there in his new sleeping bag. There's Billy. His balding head. The snow turned to sleet and rainish mixture. That's probably what the winter advisory is about. We'll see how much snow we actually get throughout the night. But can you hear the rain? That's beautiful. That's a nice sound. We'll see how waterproof the tent is. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everybody. It's 7 a.m. Billy survived. So did Jay. So did I. Oh, and Remy dog over there. Got a fire going. Collected some birch bark and lit that on fire. We were nice and toasty last night in the hot tent. Did pretty well, I have to say. Another Ozark Trail lasting a snowstorm. The snow is coming down. Jay's covered. Billy's covered. I guess I'm covered too.
Oh yeah, you got some snow on you.
This is awesome. It is a winter wonderland out here. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. We gotta get some water on there, get some coffee going, right? Who doesn't like coffee in the morning? Oh, some people don't, but some people do. I'm one of those people.
Gotta have
Coffee! I don't drink coffee, Dad. I don't drink coffee.
But you know, if you're asking, you know what I really want.
Man, you want some bacon? Huh? Water's on. That's gonna take a while.
I don't think it's entirely frozen.
It is still coming down. I don't even think you're on water yet. You'll know when it splashes.
It's frozen.
That's ice?
That's ice.
All right, we're all doing it. No, look at the snowy mountains. Oh, look at the pine trees over there. I've said it once, I'll say it again. The worst part of winter camping, doing your morning business. Good morning, everybody. Woo! Is it hot?
Hot and strong.
hot and strong. That's how he likes his. Cheers, everybody. Morning coffee, first sip. Oh, God. I didn't stir mine good enough. I got a huge, oh, that's probably not coffee. That's probably a coal. How's that coffee, guys?
Coffee's good.
Cheers. Oh, too hot. I need some snow. Man, why do I burn myself all the time? That was bad. Should I try it again? Third time's a charm? Nope. I'll wait. Coffee. It's got to be semi-cool. Oh, yeah, that's better. It didn't take long. It is a beautiful morning. I dumped my coffee. I had it sitting here cooling, and it melted the snow and went right off the log.
Amateur hour.
Still a little bit left. It's not hot no more. It's actually kind of cold. It's 12:30 now. Sun is sort of out. Snow stopped. I got a nice bushcraft pizza that we're going to be making for lunch here in a little while. It's going to be interesting. Oh, we got some really nice steaks for dinner. What are they, ribeyes? Mm-hmm. Ribeyes from a butcher in a local town here. I want that one. It's going to be a good night. Stay tuned. All right, so it's time to make a bushcraft pizza. I got my grill preheating right here. Now we need one ingredient, a Little Caesars hot and ready $5 pizza. So it looks like my grill's gonna hold half a pizza. Just gonna slap that right on there. Start the cooking process. That's all there is to it. Once your pizza is fully cooked, enjoy. Oh. Make sure you check to see if it's burning hot. This video is not sponsored by Little Caesars. Pizza. I'm in the creek. A little snowy, but I made it. Hurt myself again. Ooh. Oh. Alright, so I debated on whether or not to tell you guys. So I was chopping wood over here with my little Fisker's hatchet. And I came down, I swung, I hit the piece of wood, and it flung out of my hand, and it hit my shin. I don't think the blade hit me, but look at this. There's quite a big lump on my shin. Now there is blood, but I don't think it's from the blade. It was just from blunt force trauma. It's not a cut. Definitely be careful when you're swinging an axe. Should have been more careful. Accidents happen. Could have been worse. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know. I'm okay. It swelled up a lot. It wasn't that bad an hour or two ago. But look at these steaks. Oh, they look so good.
Oh, that's so tender. Oh my God. What do you think?
I don't know, what color is it?
What do you think, Will?
Those puppy dog eyes. I want a piece of steak. I want a piece of steak. All right, steak's done. Look at those juices just dripping off of there. Another dog here. Hold on. You want a knife? Cheers, guys. That is really good. That's really good. We're gonna finish eating this. I'll check back in with you later, probably around bedtime. All right, guys, it's just about midnight. We had a fun, relaxing night. Drank a few beers sitting by the fire. We're heading to bed. Remy dog's all tucked in right here. We got a good breakfast coming in the morning. We're excited for that. Stay tuned. And of course, coffee, right? So have a good night. See you in the morning. Morning, guys. It's about 8:15 in the morning. Got coffee made already. Cheers.
Cheers.
I bet you it's hot. I don't want to burn myself again. All right, I'm going for it. Cheers. Oh, didn't burn myself, and that's delicious. Ah. See you at breakfast. All right, here we go. First bite. Oh, the yolk is dripping. So good. Thanks, Billy.
Use a napkin, you filthy animal.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Remy.
All right, everybody, it's about 12:30. We're about to pack up camp. Thanks for joining us in this adventure. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. There will be something right here in the middle, I think, right about here. You can subscribe there. Oh, I got some egg yolk in the beard. That is gross. Oh, that's really gross. Sorry about that. Anyways, thanks for joining us in this adventure, and I'll see you on the next one.